Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making KFC mashed potato bowls. Alright guys, I'm starting out with a 9x13 baking pan. Then I'm going to spray this with some vegetable oil cooking spray. And guys, you aren't going to believe how quick and easy this is, and it's very delicious. So I just want to put a nice coating of spray in here. My can's going empty guys, so please pardon that. Alright, now I have 12 cups of instant mashed potatoes I made here. To the directions on the box. So you can go ahead and make homemade mashed potatoes if you like. But once you have this all said and done, you really can't notice the difference when you have the rest of the ingredients in and it's all baked up. And it's a lot easier for you. So I'm just going to go ahead and get all my mashed potatoes in here. And if it's only two of you or a small family, you can cut this recipe in half, guys. You don't have to make so much. But I'm cooking for a small army, so I have to make enough. And stuff like this goes over big in the house. I'm just going to go ahead and smear my mashed potatoes out here evenly. Get them down in the pan. Alright. It don't have to be perfect. Just as good as you can get it, because they'll settle some as they bake. Right now I have a 15-ounce can of corn, whole corn I drained. I'm going to sprinkle that in over top of the potatoes. I won't go overboard there, guys. And if you don't like corn, you can substitute a different vegetable you like, or you can leave the vegetables out totally. It's all your personal preference. Okay, get rid of that. Now I have a jar of chicken gravy. This is 12 ounces. I'm going to spread it over top of the corn and the potatoes. Dexter, you watching me cook? Dexter's in there calling my youngest son Zach. When he was a baby we called him Zachy Poo, and Dexter still remembers that. Funny how they remember, huh? Okay, now that I have my gravy in there, I have some popcorn chicken. I baked in the oven, but I left it go a little bit longer than what the directions says on the bag because I like it a little crispier. So I have to go for like an extra 5 minutes longer than what the direction says. That's all personal preference. But guys, this isn't dry or tough or nothing like that. Break one open so you can see. See, it's nice and tender. Get them down in there. Don't mind me, I'm showing that little piece that I ripped off. And if you can't find popcorn chicken, guys, just do some chicken nuggets and cut them up then. But usually popcorn chicken is pretty easy to find. Alright, I'm going to top this with some shredded cheddar cheese. We're going to put a healthy coating on there. And these are like those mashed potato bowls you'll find at KFC that you pay, I don't know, $4 for one or something like that. So here you're feeding a whole army for roughly, I'd say, about $8 to $10. So you do the math, it's a little cheaper this way if you go through the extra steps. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in a 400-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes uncovered. So my cheese is all melted and my corn and gravy heat through. Alright guys, this is done. I left it go for 15 minutes. The cheese is nice and melted. It's heated through. Let's go ahead and fix up a bowl and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try for you. Got them mashed potatoes with gravy and corn. They're really good. And like I said, you can't taste that they're instant potatoes once they're cooked in with everything. Get a little cheese in here with the potatoes. It's really good, creamy, cheesy. And our chicken. Chicken's really good. That's really good, guys. And as you're seeing, it wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it, KFC mashed potato bowls. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you.